If you're looking for Samsung's digital imaging flagship, the search simply ends with the NX1. $1,500 MSRP. Body only. This is the company's top mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, ILC, by far, and is loaded to the gills with just about everything Samsung could put into a camera, other than a complete Galaxy smartphone. This camera is terrific and very impressive, something to look at if you want to shoot 4K content, and demonstrates how far Samsung has come in camera manufacturing. One of the top-line features of the new NX1 is a 28.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. The backside illuminated BSI chip is the most pixel-packed of any in this category. The next step up is a camera with a full-frame sensor like the still available U, which is a bit cheaper at $1,299. Body only, but is a year older. But one area the NX1 beats the A7 is in video quality. Here, you can capture cinema 4K and 4K Ultra High Definition UHD to the memory card, as well as Full HD 1080/60 footage. To get 4K with Sony, you need the $2,499 XA0 or Panasonic's DMC-GH4. $1,499, among other 4K-capable cameras. In other words, the NX1 is priced right, at least on paper. The dust and weather-resistant mirrorless camera has a magnesium alloy frame and looks just like a DSLR. But it is just a shade thinner and shorter than an enthusiast DSLR like the. It measures 5.45 by 4.0 by 2.6 inches and weighs 19.4 ounces. Just the body. Add a battery and one of Samsung's new S-series lenses, as we did with the 50 to 150 mm telephoto, and you're carrying serious weight. You'll need proper bracing technique with this rig. Even the lens's built-in optical image stabilization can only do so much. Quote,